my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how to invest their money. Okay, let's start this video. Close to 25 million billionaires reside in the United States, and the number is growing. Achieving millionaire status can provide more financial security than most people have, but it's not something everyone can do. Investing can help make it happen as it puts the power of compounding to work for you. Okay, when you invest your money unreturned, that can be reinvested and help your wealth grow. If you want to grow a seven figure seven figure net age of your own, it can be helpful to look at how people who are already millionaires are investing their money. What are millionaires investing their money in? Okay, Empower recently published some helpful data showing how millionaires are allocating in their investment dollars. Here, how a user of the Empower personal dashboard with average net worth topping $1 million have distributed and their fund across different kind of investment. This is the R table of investment table. Okay, and learn this. Okay, and 2026 biggest high year saving accounts. Okay, this is a saving accounts. Young people tend to have more of their money in stock because they can take on more or exposure to risk and take a chance on earning their higher potential gain that stock offer compared to cash or bond. Older people in their 70s and 80s, on the other hand, need to have more of cash cushion and less exposure to the market because they don't have as much time to wait out downturn sign. They may need to rely on their investment for income. They don't want to have to sell stock at a loss if the market happen to be it down when they need a distribution. Having more money in case cash allow them to leave their investment alone unite until the time is right to sell. Cleaner choice and age appropriate investment max. Amazing $1 million investment is not an easy feat, so it's not surprising that most investors are with a seven-figure needs and have made some smart choices when it comes to allocating investment. Anyone who is investing should make sure they take the time to consider their own assist location allocation carefully. You don't want to be too conservative as this could limit your potential return and make growing a seven figure nest egg much more difficult and expensive at the same time. taking on too much risk could lead to losses that are difficult to recover from. Explore best practice for assist allocation by age, and like many millionaires, make sure that rebalancing your portfolio over time is part of your investment strategy. Building a portfolio with the right mix of investment, uh, especially high quality investment, you will be happy to hold for the long term, can be the surest path to achieving the financial security that you owe deserve. Why some retirement account grow will most shrink? Most advisors ask, how do we make this last 13 years? The wealth asks, what if a few positions compound faster than I am withdrawing? And that one question is the difference between $10,000 staying $10,000 and becoming 4 lakh dollar position for growing in instead of just preservation and retirement transforms. Here the strategy and the shockingly is simple math benefit in, okay, and start strong with our 10 French stock. Think about investing before you dive in. Consider the mortally full stock advisor team has identified 10 functional stock that our experts think are perfect for all investors. These are not just any stock. There are business that can help from the cornerstone of a well diversified long-term portfolio. Picture yourself um, embarking on your investing journey with a lineup of proven performers that have consistently delivered with stock advisors average return at an impressive 936% is uh, Sam Samsung in the market compared to the S&P 500 as 189%. Our foundational stock strike a balance between reliability and growth potential that our uh, experts think are primed to set you on the path to financial confidence. Join stock advertiser today to access these 10 foundational stock and kits. Start your investment journey with confidence. Okay. Traditional retirement planning is all defensive. The 60 over 40 portfolio, the 4% rule, quarterly rebalancing, but the wealth Americans play of often to. Oh, here what I mean. You spend 40 years being responsible, saving 10 to 5% of ever pay back, building your next age. You get to retirement with maybe $1 million if you did everything right. Then you advisor size you down and say, hey, congratulations, here your plan. You will have about $14,000 a year to live on if you are careful. This should last 25 to 30 years. Not broke, not strategy, struggling, just living life much smaller than I could be. Okay. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press on the bell icon for every new video. Go. Okay. Goodbye.